Hi everybody, I just thought I'd make a video about my PM DC Outrunner and RV project. This setup seen here is exactly as I wanted to couple these two things together, nose to nose. As you can see, I have a special flange made for it, but unfortunately at the machine shop they wasted it, and now when I coupled the RV nose to nose with my PM DC Outrunner, when the shaft of the RV is spinning, of course by hand, I didn't turn it on because it spins with 3000 RPM, and I wouldn't want this generator to fly around my apartment and wreck my walls. But anyway, when the RV's shaft spins, the generator spins also, but it has an awful lot of axial play. It moves round and round, back and forth. Its back end oscillates like this in every direction, which can only mean that the coupler and the adapter flange between the PM DC Outrunner and RV are not machined right. So instead of going through another machine shop headache, I will try to, I don't know, maybe I will go to the machine shop again to make a shaft for that for this flange, which will go inside it and support this end of the PM DC Outrunner on a bearing like this, which will have its own housing and stand, and the bearing housing and bearing stand will be supported. Also the back end, this back end of the PM DC Outrunner will be supported as well on a fulcrum, and the only part that will spin will be the external part of the Outrunner. And after then, with the shaft which protrudes out of the flange of the, well, not out of the pulley, I'm sorry, out of the pulley of the Outrunner, will be attached on that shaft, will be it will have attached hydraulic pressure hose, the ones that you use in, I don't know, excavators, tractors, bulldozers, whatever, anything that has a hydraulic ram on it. And that hydraulic pressure hose will link the RV's shaft and the Outrunner's shaft. It would have been nice if I could couple them together like this, but I'm not going to chase this idea anymore and go for a much more simpler version. Plus, this form of coupling applies a whole lot of mechanical stress on the RV shaft, because besides its weight, its shaft weight, the RV shaft has to support the Outrunner's entire weight, because the Outrunner right now is coupled directly to the RV's shaft, and the single point of support for the Outrunner besides the RV will be this side. So I don't know, maybe actually half or more than half of the Outrunner's weight will be supported by the bearings from the RV, which can cause and will cause premature failure of the bearings. So this wasn't such a good idea, but I couldn't know of it unless I experimented with it, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated and avoid making the same mistakes that I do here. Well, until next time, take care. Bye.